Today, we're taking one of the rarest cars on the road into the heart of the downtown area to answer one question. Does anyone still recognize the DeLorean? We're going to let strangers check it out, sit inside, and capture every reaction along the way. So let's get after it. All right, we're off. We've had a good morning so far. So I thought I would take the car downtown just for a little bit. Maybe park, let some people see the car, or just cruise. It's always good putting these cars through the paces rather than just letting them sit. They need to be driven. This is a 1983, so they need to be driven. Watch out for those good Libyans. What do you guys think?
It was awesome.
Pretty cool?
It looks like great condition.
So we've got 80 of these throughout the country that you can rent out for birthday parties, but they look like the Time Machine. So DeloreanRental.com. Birthdays, corporate events, weddings. Yeah, take as many pictures as you want. You guys want to get a picture with the car? Have at it. You're welcome. You like it? Yeah? I like your shirt.
That's my wife.
Yeah?
If you don't know who Jesus is. So
Everybody knows Jesus. Oh, look at this little guy. Nice job. You like the car? You like it? There's a couple bad words in there for him, but other than that, you know, it works.
when I was like that.
I know, right?
I was like, it didn't bother me.
No. She came around the corner and her mouth was like on the floor.
Yeah, I was like, no way.
Yeah.
The hoverboard.
Now we got the sports almanac in there somewhere, the flux capacitor.
That's so funny. I remember I saw like the making of Back to the Future 2.
Yeah, the hoverboard test.
Yeah, and he goes, we got our hands on a couple of them. I thought they were real.
So many people did when that came out.
Real. I go, hoverboards are real.
Yeah.
I thought
And people thought it was real.
I did. A few years later, I found out it was kidding.
And a new one. That one's peeling sticker.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you get them cheap online.
Is it private? Does it work?
Yeah. How do you think I got it here?
Awesome. I didn't know if it was like a coat or something.
Heck no.
This display or-
True.
That's awesome.
I'll be driving it out of here.
That's great.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day for it. Right.
Everybody, come on. That's awesome.
Yeah.
How long does it take per day? Like, what happens? Like, when it gets too hot, like
No, it's just the windows are like the door here. Oh, that's how big the window is.
That's it?
That's it. That's all you got. That's all you got.
So it gets a little too
So
hot.
it's like driving a tin can basically.
Yeah, right.
Now, don't get
It's
me
all
wrong,
stainless steel.
There's AC, but
Oh, there is.
well,
Okay.
it blows. But it's this isn't the car to cruise on a hot day. Let's just put it to you that way. But it's a lot of fun.
Now, what year is it?
This is an 82. Yeah.
Because they only made them for like
81, 33.
Okay, 3
Yeah.
years.
Holy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's different versions of the hoods. There's some, the earlier ones had a gas flat, aging fat, but you fill up right here.
The front.
Yeah.
Gas?
That is
Yeah, so
wild.
it's actual front. Well, it's just like I guess one. I think the Lambos are the same, right?
Right.
Oh, yes.
Holy cow, that's weird.
So you have to lift this up every time. Like, yeah.
Yeah. So this will be fully converted.
The hoverboard's a nice touch. It's you and Christopher Lloyd. Son of a gun. That's really, really cool.
We donate these to like hard funding. So I just sent them.
I wonder how my sheep would feel if I parked one of these out front of the
You have to go on
Hey.
my YouTube channel. We set up across the beach. We had a so like we knew we were gonna get pulled over.
Yeah.
Why the car cameras everywhere? Somebody filming. And he's like, "Hey, by the way, you blew a stop sign back there, but do you mind if I take a look at your
Yeah,
car?"
right,
And it
'cause
seemed
why not?
Pretty real. You know. But you know, we try and donate them as much time as we can. Children's hospital.
That's
We did
really
the
cool.
well, right down here, if you did the little children's museum.
Oh, sure, yeah, right.
Touch
up
a
the
truck
corner.
there.
Yep.
So yeah, this will be converted here soon. We start my conversion. Look at this. I need a wrinkler this.
Do you do all the rest of it? Like all, you do it all yourself?
I'll have some help to turn it into the time machine, but
That's really cool, man. I'll look you up on, I'll follow your Insta. You've got a tape deck and everything.
I've got 2 or 3 more at home. I need to throw them by the windows for see better days.
Well, hey man, it's nice to meet you.
Thank you for your service. Thanks for keeping us
Thanks
safe.
for showing it to me. It's really,
No,
really cool.
I'm happy to. That's why I came out just for a little bit. while
Yeah,
the kids were
beautiful day
sleeping.
like this, you just park, people come up and talk.
Yeah, I enjoy showing off.
Outside, right outside the ice cream
I
shop
know,
too.
I'm just kind of chilling, head out soon, but cool. Capacitor, you guys got everything going in there. Hey, thanks for stopping by, guys. I'm ready to take off myself. Well, that's going to do it for today. Thanks for joining us as we took the car downtown to hang out for just a little bit. We had a really lovely time. A lot of people enjoyed the car. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, leave us a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next episode. Have a fantastic day.